Hey guys, Amanda here. So I'm getting ready to go boondocking in Quartzsite, Arizona. So I wanted to show you guys kind of how I get the van ready and what I do because I live in an apartment. So between my trips, I come home to my apartment and I get things ready for the next trip. So this morning I went and I filled up 6 gallons of water, and then I also always reuse gallon jugs, and I just fill them up so I have all my water already ready to go. And then I use this big bag that I got from Ikea to transfer all my stuff. So mostly everything I need in my van I keep in here. I already have it in here, but I need to transport things like my heating blanket, clothes, toiletries, things like that. So I have my heating blanket. It's actually not supposed to be that cold, but I do have it if I need it. I have food that I need to put away, clothes. I have I have all my pens and like little snack bars and things I need to put away. I also have all of Winston's food and his treats and things, so put that away. Also, we're leaving in the morning, but I always like to make sure I have my van packed up and organized before I get going, so I don't have to do it the day of. So I'm just gonna put my stuff away in my van, and you guys can watch as I organize. I'm also drinking a beer tonight, Big Blue Van, because it's my favorite, brewed out of Lake Havasu. Oh, gotta move my jack. I keep all my clothes in this tote, and I pack very minimally because I'm not girly by any means, and I really just like to wear t-shirts and sweatpants. And I packed shorts because it's going to be warm. Okay, so I'm also going to store my heating blanket below with my clothes, since I don't have many clothes, which is nice. Because as a minimalist who doesn't really do my hair or makeup, saves a lot of space. organizing my food storage. Okay. Good to go. Alright, so I got a bunch of the main stuff in here for Winston and I to head to Quartzsite tomorrow to go boondocking. Since we won't be at a campground, that's why I extra prepare to make sure I have everything I need, since we will not have amenities. Okay, so I think that's all I need to do right now, aside from pack up some cold food in the morning to put in my fridge, and then we'll be off. And I can't wait. So, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. See you next time.